what's up, my waxy homies? This is Alethea, and this one is going to be a pretty quick one. It's just a really quick haul. I want to show you a couple of things that I did get around Christmas time, but some things just came, so now I'm just now able to share them with you. So anyway, let me give you a little backstory. So on the 23rd of December, I decided to order from Juvia's Place as well as Urban Decay. And my order from Urban Decay came like maybe 4 days later. But from Juvia's Place, I ordered on the 23rd. On the 27th, I got confirmation, or quote unquote received an email that said it shipped. And every time I tried to check the packaging or check the shipping, it would always say that the label had been created but the package had not been shipped. So then I went and posted a picture on Instagram the other day. I don't know what the picture was. Then I went and made a post on Instagram, Facebook, something like that, saying something about my Juvia's Place order coming, and I'll be glad when it comes. And then the next thing you know, boom, I get an email the next day saying that my order has shipped. And then on Thursday, the 10th, I finally received my Juvia's Place palettes. So I'm going to show you my Juvia's Place palettes as well as my Urban Decay products. Urban Decay had a sale, of course, just like Juvia's Place had a sale. And I don't even remember how much I paid for these items. I think they were like, they were like dirt cheap. I have to put up an email. I'll have to go back and check and then put the prices here because they were dirt cheap, I can tell you that. But the first thing I got was this Urban Decay 24/7 Perversion Mascara and Eye Pencil Duo. In this package, there is an Urban Decay eyeliner as well as a mascara. And y'all, you can never have too many mascaras. I'm telling y'all, because mascara, after so many times, those things dry out. I had to throw out 2 mascaras today. So these are right on time, which I do still have some others. But it came in this little black thing right here with a little Urban Decay clip on the front. And inside is the mascara and the pencil. The next thing I did get is this Urban Decay Hex Ready 24/7 Travel Eye Pencil Set. So there are 5 eye pencils in this set. And yeah, I've gotten back into wearing eye pencils. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and get that one. And I got this little palette. This stuff right here was like, I'm telling y'all, it was dirt cheap. But I got the Light Beam eyeshadow palette, and it just has 5 colors in there, and it's just one of their little small packages, not packages, but smaller palettes. And this is what the colors look like in here. It's just kind of like it's a pretty neutral palette. There are a couple of shimmers in here. There's one matte, and the rest of them are pretty much shimmers. Alright, so now let's get into my Juvia's Place palettes. Now, while the shipping did take a long time, and I was pretty ticked about that, I am very excited and I'm very pleased with these palettes. I do have some other palettes by Juvia's Place. I do like the company. I just don't like how long they take for the shipping. And these palettes were 50% off, and then I used a coupon code because there are people on here that have coupon codes, and I can't remember her name of the one whose coupon code that I did use, but I'll go back and try to see if I can find it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Here's the box that it came in, and here is the actual palette itself. It's reflecting off of my light. This is the palette that I actually used for my eye look today. I used this palette in conjunction with another palette because this palette does not really have any crease colors in it, but I do really like these colors. The colors that I used today were this one, this one, this one, and this one. And of course, as you all can see, the colors are not on this palette and there's no mirror, but that is okay with me. Next palette that I picked up is the Warrior palette. This palette I can actually hold up without the color washing it away, but yes, this is the Warrior palette, and inside this palette, I think, is this the all matte palette? No, this one is pretty much a basic neutral palette, and that has everything that you need. There are 3 mattes and the rest of them are shimmers in this palette. So let me put it that way. So that's a matte, that's a matte, and that's a matte. This would be a great transitional color, and of course this would help to smoke out your crease. But yes, this is the Warrior palette. And next I purchased the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And in this palette, is this the all matte palette? I'm not sure. I know one of the palettes I got was all matte. Yes, this is the all matte palette. Look at that. This is gorgeous. And look at that black. That is like one of the darkest blacks I have seen. But overall, gorgeous palette. And then last but not least, I got, is it the Deuce? The Deuce by Juvia's. Yeah, this one is kind of getting washed out. So I'm going to have to hold this like this. The white kind of gets washed out when I put it too close. But this is the Deuce by Juvia. And in this one, this one has some like pastel colors in there, some neutral colors in. I mean, this one is just kind of all over the spectrum, but I love it. I think this is one of my favorites out of all of them that I got. I don't know why, but this little cream looking color. Now this one actually has the names in the palette, and I think another one had the names in the palette. I think 2 of them have the names and 2 of them doesn't. But for some reason, this little pastel pink color right here, oh my God, that color just talks to me. As you can see, I swatched it and put it on Bae's hand because I was like, look at this color. So anyway, but that is it. I'm going to put this back in here. So yeah, this is my little, this is the last thing I got basically from my Christmas stuff. So yeah, that is it. Like I say, I really am glad the palettes finally came. I think they're gorgeous and I can't wait to create more looks with them. And the one thing I cannot stand when it comes to Juvia's Place is their shipping. The shipping is snailmail.com. It's ridiculous how long it takes for the shipping. But other than that, I'm very pleased with my products. And yeah, so that's it for this video. So thank you so much for coming to check out another video. Please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe before you step out of here. And until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. And I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.